What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I figured I would do you guys a solid, jump on here and do a quick talking head video. Although I feel like a pile of trash, I'll be honest with you, so I'm going to try to be as quick as possible because you guys all know I like to talk. So first and foremost, I want to get straight to this. Fan pre-orders. This is the whole reason I'm getting on here making this video, so you guys don't think I took all your money and stayed in Jamaica and I'm living the high life right now, swimming with dolphins and dancing with them and whatnot. Pre-orders will close September 30th. I think that's the easiest way to do it. We'll just set a hard and fast deadline to get your money and get them ordered. That way I can get mine ordered. The way these work, I have to order these in bulk. I have to order enough of them to make it worthwhile for the laser house to deal with a small fish like me. So there's a set number I have to order before I can call them and get the deal done. It's 2 weeks, their time, for them to get everything lasered and back to me. And then I need it at least a week. I'd like to, but I mean, I'll push it if I can because we need to get these things back to you guys. So if I close it September 30th, that gives 2 weeks. So that gets us into October, and then I'll just do my damnedest. I'll keep you guys posted on here, and you'll see me welding like gangbusters in the afternoon to get these things done and shipped out to you. So thank you for the pre-orders. If you want to get one, please jump on board. If you are wondering, I do have enough pre-orders at the moment to pull the trigger, but I'd like to leave it open until the end of September. I think that that's fair for everybody. So if you're on the fence, please grab one. And if not, we'll close it up on that date, the next closest business date to September 30th. If not, on September 30th, I'll place an order and get these things lasered up, bent up, welded up, and get them out to you guys. So thank you very much for that. If you want to see how these things work and see some reviews, I sent a few to my YouTube buddies on here. So we've got Navlac57, did one and stuck it in his Fairmont wagon. We got my boy Anthony Harville. Same thing, he's another Fairmont wagon. So a couple Fairmont wagons. I sent one to my friend A21 Bravo. So he has that Ranger. I don't know what he's going to put it in, if he was sticking in the truck or whatever. And then last but not least, my boy Happel has one. And he just kind of showcased it, but I think he has plans to stuff that in something sooner or later. So that is that with the fans. So thank you guys very much for the pre-orders. I'll be honest with you, worst case, if you're like, that's way too long, I can't wait, just contact me. Or contact War or whatever, we'll get you taken care of if you're, that adamant you can't wait. And so sorry about the pre-orders, but the first round batch sold out, so thank you very much for that. And then the easiest way for me to continue this project is to pre-order so I don't have to keep coming out of pocket. So that whole first round I came out of pocket with, and we really haven't seen any returns on it, but that's besides the point. So other than that, if you're wondering where I went on vacation, if you stuck around this long and you're not angry with pitchforks, that I stole everybody's money with pre-orders for my fan holders. I took my family on a 7-day Royal Caribbean cruise down to the Cayman Islands, Jamaica. There's a place called Coco Cay. That was Grand Cayman. And then went to there's a private island down there. Anyway, my son's favorite animal in the entire world is a sea turtle. And the Grand Cayman Islands has a sea turtle. It's like I don't know if it's a rehabilitation. It's not a rehabilitation center. It's where they basically hatch them and grow them, and then they send them out into the wild. I'm sure there's a term for that, but I can't think for life of me right now. But they also allow you to swim with some of the turtles that they have at the facility, and I think that helps fund the whole deal or whatever. So we got to snorkel with some sea turtles. I smoked my GoPro because I thought it would be awesome to have some underwater footage of my boy swimming with sea turtles and having his best life. And as soon as we got to where the sea turtles were, the camera was no more. So I'm filming on my phone, and then that has a cracked lens. So this looks like garbage. So I think I'm going to wait for if I can, the new DJI has a little action cam. I think we're switching. We're going to abandon GoPro and go with DJI, I think. If not, we'll do the DJI Action 4, but we'll get that sooner or later and get back to business. But yeah, we did the sea turtles, and then we also swam and danced with dolphins. I'm going to put a picture up, even though I was living my best life. I didn't know that was something I needed to go and do. My wife apparently did because that's what she wanted to do. But I had a bigger smile, I think, riding the thing and swimming with it than she did, which is kind of hilarious. But it was a very cool experience. I was in Jamaica. I really enjoyed Jamaica. There's a lot of poverty there, but there's a lot of history. And I don't know. It was cool. I enjoyed the vibe in the whole place. And the whole trip in general. Very fortunate that we got to go do that. And I've been planning this thing for almost like 2 years. I think we looked on the calendar, and you get to pay for cruises as you go. So if you look for a family vacation, a cruise is pretty cool. because it allows you to kind of pay for it. You don't have to do it all in one shot, although it is expensive at the end of the day. But when you stretch it out, it's not quite as bad. So we were able to do that. And then I didn't want to tell anybody because I didn't want my boy to hear. And we were able to keep it a surprise all the way up until the day of. So I was really excited for that. I have it on video.
Georgetown Grand.
What does it say? What does that say?
Turtle Encounters and Islands Tour, Georgetown Grand Canyon. So we're going to be able to go swim with turtles.
That's what you're doing today.
Yay.
That's your birthday present, bud.
This is your main birthday present, honey. Love you, baby.
Is that exciting?
He wanted to go to the trampoline park, and I was laughing so hard because I'm like, of course you do, because you're 9. He doesn't understand. But also, it was a surprise. So we did a good job of surprising him to the point to where he was sad that he was going on a cruise because he didn't know. But we had a wonderful time. I caught some whatever. My boy is cool. My wife is toast. This is the second day I've been laid up. And I figured I'd come out here and make a video for the fans because I figure that's fair to you guys, especially that pre-ordered and believe in the product and believe in me. So I appreciate all of you guys. These things are going to kick ass. If you get one, I know you're going to love it. I'll stand behind it. If you have any issues with any of the stuff or you have questions, please feel free and reach out. But I'm stoked on those, and I'm very fortunate and humbled and thankful that you guys believe in me and you want to order these and put these in your rides. And I can't wait to see these things in the wild. So just want to jump on here, share some goofy pictures of myself with you guys, let you know where the pre-orders stand, that we're going to put the deadline. I will let Jason know after I close this video out that September 30th is it. You can still go order it, but we're going to place an order, if that makes sense. It's not like, oh, you'll never get one, but that's the date we're clicking the buy order for me to get stuff rolling. So don't panic and be like, oh, I'll never get one again. But just know that if you have money out on this thing, that is when I'm going to get the ball rolling. And I will keep you guys posted on here. Follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me on Instagram, and I'll show the welding and all that stuff. I don't want to keep beating YouTube videos up with it, but I will mention it when we get closer, when I get the order in on the main channel here, just so you guys stay posted up if this is where you watch most of my stuff, the Burndown channel. And then again on Instagram, it'll be easy. I could do the daily videos in the afternoon and show you stacks of things that we weld up and all that fun stuff. So that is it. I'm going to go take some more medication, go lay down. Thankful that it is Hot Rod Drag Week, because that has been keeping me fed with hot rod and racing. It is also Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0. The War didn't actually make it to. I didn't make it to. Obviously, I was on vacation. My car is getting worked on. I haven't seen any of that. I got some bracketry and stuff to share with you guys on that front. And then I have a whole other project that I don't really need to be doing that we picked up that I'm very excited. It's not a project car, nothing like that. It's side work that I actually don't need to do because I had the ball rolling on this thing before I wrecked my car. But that's the way life is. You got to continue the stuff you say you're going to do, and just because life throws some obstacles at you, you figure out how to deal with those and with other stuff. But we have some fun stuff on the channel coming up. I feel refreshed. I'm excited to make videos. Hopefully we get better at this thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the channel and all the videos and all the stuff. And like I said, I'm rambling at this point. I'm going to go lay down. You guys, take it easy. I'm out.
Oh, Bowie wants to sit by you, bud.
That's how we're rolling in Jamaica. EQ, Pioneer, shift knob, riding.